To all the residents at Bamfield Lodge, hope you enjoy our little video from Liz's little farm. Good morning. How are you? Did you want something to eat? What are you up to, man? What are you up to? Impatient, is it? Go on then, in you go. Oh, come on then. Wolf. There you go. Gosh, what have you done with that? Oh, you're messy cats. There you go. That nice? Good morning. Elsie, don't be so greedy. Morning. Coming out? Hey. Hey. Come on. Not you, Else. Yeah, you're lovely. Come on. Just gonna feed Reggie. Good morning, Reg. How are you, young man? Where's your... You gonna let me in? Come on then, fella. Oh. Here we go. Reggie's breakfast. He's a good boy. You alright, mate? What a mess you made of your bed. What's going on? I can change his bed. Put that with it. And that one with it. I'm trying to make Reggie a nice warm bed. He's eating all the straw. Oh, Reggie. You get in this and have a proper old rummage around. Oh, my hands are cold. It's really cold today. Oh, nice. Disadvantage, having a 20-stone pig. Lots and lots of food. I'm going to go feed the ducks and the turkeys. Barbara, she's vicious. This is Tom right by the gate, and that is Barbara, who would generally attack me. Yeah, okay. Go on. Come on then, move on. Come on, go. She's in an attacking mood today. Aren't you, Barbs? Alright? She's scary. All she wants is your food. This is the cockerels, our little bachelor group. They're quite well behaved. They're beautiful. Raised most of these from an egg. So we're looking to rehome these as soon as possible because we don't need... How many cockerels is there? 7? 7, yeah. They look good. Not sure that's not a girl. No, it's got a girl. Morning, Thomas. Ooh, don't lose your weight. No, Barb, be nice. This is Thomas. This is our resident fella. He's a good boy. He's quite friendly. He's a good boy, aren't you, Thomas? And that's his wife, Barbara. And that's his 2 new girlfriends, who has no names at the moment. Morning, how are you? The nice white ones are the girls, obviously they look after themselves. And the dirty ones are teenage boys, and they are filthy. That's going to show up.
Cobwebs. Are you hungry? Are you waiting?
What bucket you got, Finn?
Bantams.
You got that one? Right, that is... Nearly fell through the fence then. Right, we do a bucket up every night with all nice treats and bread and things in, and then we go in and we feed. Morning, girls. Come on then. Come on then. Here we go. There, not many today, girls. Not many today.